Good morning, everyone. Mike McConville here, January 26th, 2019. Well, this just came in this morning. A gentleman drove up from Niagara-on-the-Lake region to drop off this 1965 6124 Gretsch, so single pickup guitar. These knurled wheels roll on that threaded rod so you can adjust the string spacing. Kind of cool, really, when you think way back then, 1965, good idea. Problem is, the radius doesn't match the fingerboard. But we are doing a refret. We're going to be putting an adjustable bridge on this guitar that he can intonate the thing so it's perfectly in tune and plays smooth as silk. And as always, you'll get a step-by-step on the Patreon channel, the full refret, fingerboard correction, and we'll bring this thing right up to snuff. Our 98-year-old Irish mother is going to be so proud. My dad would have been so proud. This is the guitar from the infamous Pig and Whistle show. That's a name I haven't heard in 50 years. Yeah, so this was the guitar from the Pig and Whistle show, a sort of Canadian show that featured all the Irish talent, the Rovers and Irish Rovers and all the early Irish bands that were playing in Canada and around the world at the time. Keep you posted as we go. It's got the original case to boot. So we'll give you a play-by-play as we move along. Thank God for duct tape.